Thanks for joining us for another episode of About Lehigh Valley, where we love to live, work, and play. Today we're at a local CSA farm that's been in the family for over 60 years, and every family member has a role to play.
This is Willow Haven Farm in New Tripoli, Pennsylvania. This is an organic vegetable farm. We're also a very diverse family farm. We have a lot of things going besides vegetables, but we started primarily as a vegetable farm. So we want to be selling directly to people. We do not wholesale anything. We have a CSA program which delivers vegetables directly to people in the Lehigh Valley. Our CSA program stands for Community Supported Agriculture. And it's kind of a subscription program where people buy into the farm membership and they will get a box of vegetables delivered to their house or place of work every week or every other week throughout the season for 20 weeks. We've been baking sourdough breads in our brick oven for about 8-9 years now. So we have a bakery going. We also raise animals for meat. So we have chicken, sheep, pigs, and beef cows. And this year we are also very excited to have started a cheese making operation. So as of yesterday, we are allowed by the state of Pennsylvania to make and sell custom cheeses from our grass-fed milk. We're very excited to be making high-quality cheeses, and the cheeses we hope will extend our reach outside of the Lehigh Valley eventually. And I guess the thing that unites us all is we love being outside, we love producing this incredible, wonderful food, and we love eating it. Like I said, a lot of our vegetables are delivered directly to people's homes. We also deliver to people's workplaces, so we do touch some people who work in the Lehigh Valley but live outside of the Lehigh Valley. My daughter is starting Willow Haven flowers this year. She's planting, for the first time, we're growing a lot of flowers, almost an acre of flowers. There's probably about 30,000 plants, and she is making bouquets for sale throughout the Lehigh Valley. So one of the ways she started was getting a flower subscription service, which is 8 weeks of delivered bouquets delivered to people's homes. My daughter is 18. She's doing this as a way to earn some money for college. I really like people to know that there are local organic family farms out there. We appreciate the support of all the people in the Lehigh Valley who are buying local and organic at this point. You're the reason that we can even exist, and so thank you.
Thanks for watching this episode of About Lehigh Valley. Have you ever considered or been part of a CSA? Let us know in the comment section. Also like and share so we can get the word out, and please subscribe so you don't miss any of the episodes of About Lehigh Valley.